Hello, I would like to explain you about how we can open up to good energy portals and channel from spirit uh, without getting affected by any of the toxic energy portals that are concurrently opening at the same time. I would like you to uh, go through the example of people subverting themselves into toxic environment and situations and choose to get into addictions in order to obtain a temporary refuge from these situations and opting to continue the same way instead of getting the joy or bliss or wish fulfillment coming from helping others. Say for example, if you have started getting a semi sort of bliss by using drugs or any other psychedelic substances which increases brain activity, you may feel that it gets halted temporarily and you go back to the same substance and start abusing your body with it. The reason is that they don't know how to maintain the bliss that is coming from jobs like channeling from spirit or from higher dimensions or by opening up to good energy portals. The good energy portals are the portals which have opened right now during 21st of December. This was opened during 8/8, which is called Lionsgate, and 11/11, 11th of November, and 12/12, which is 12th of December. These are good energy portals, and during those dates, you can open up your abilities, psychic abilities, and communication or channeling from spirit by connecting you to these good energy portals. At the same time, there will be toxic energy portals also that can interfere with the good energy portals. But you need to take care in such a way that both of the energy portals will be open, but you should channel from the good energy portals instead of affecting you by the spirit of the toxic energy portals. During a last session, I was telling about how can we create a shield around toxic energy portals by meditating using your favorite spirit guide or archangel, using the uh, connecting to the consciousness of people who are not only of souls that are not only in the earthly realms but in the other realms of the spirit. This is something like most of the topics that are written in the world had either come by channeling from spirit or through inspirational writing. Inspirational writing is something you get into a semi trance or a meditation and start channeling information from your spirit guides or ancestors or deities or angels whom you believe in and who are in communication with. It could be coming from your ancestors, spirit guides, or even loved ones who have left you from this life on earth and still the souls are available in the earth. So this is a kind of uh, a confusing thing to many because they feel that communicating to spirits from other dimensions is that going to be possible, but the hardest truth is that earth has already gone multidimensional. Earth is in the 5D consciousness already. So we all need to think that we are galactic beings, and the same way Earth has gone to a higher density, that of fourth density, which is the fifth dimensional consciousness. We are all beings incarnated from other lifetimes other than planet Earth, and we all have a purpose in life which is beyond what we see in the physical realm. This is the good work that we can do by opening ourselves to a future, by harnessing the energy out of the good energy portal. Instead of going into abuse or depression or anxiety by being in the negative toxic energy portal, you need not be necessarily associated or attached to a negative entity. Just because of the negative entity, you might not be doing things which you don't want to do. What I am saying is, there are people who still follow toxic patterns in their life due to belief systems, past life programming, or ancestral beliefs, or it could be even because of the toxic environment they are living, which they are not capable to stand on the their own feet and have the strength to come out of the situation. Instead of that, what people does is they go for subverting themselves into using substances or all kind of drugs which will uplift your frequency only for a momentary time, but you cannot have it will only uplift your frequency for a short time, and you cannot continue doing that. When you need the bliss of continuing the frequency that you have been uplifted, then you should rather start using something that is a gift, past life gift of your own, or you have a calling to do, like using tarot cards, for example. I am a software engineer who have worked in the industry for more than 1.5 decades, and now I feel that I am getting some sort of wish fulfillment or satisfaction by helping people, by showing their past life records or subconscious, how to eliminate their subconscious labels if they have any from their lives, to live an egoless life and choosing their past life abilities and gifts from the past to serve their life purpose. When I am saying life purpose, there is a distinct difference between what people think about choosing a life that they want and the free will choice that they are left to live in the earth for. Living the life I want to choose, it is not called as free will. It is something that will give you instant gratification or temporary relief from things that you want to run away from. There is no point in running away from things, because you will continue running or doing this kind of substances or psychedelic drugs to satisfy your soul. What your soul needs is not what your mind or body needs. What your soul needs is pure consciousness. And to get the feeling of what the soul needs, you have to come into the being consciousness, where we are all uh, uh, believing in the philosophy of the universal law of abundance, the law of correspondence. What is so far above is so far below, and the laws of unanimity, equanimity, and you feel that you are being in the universe, and the universe is already abundant with everything that you have. You should all try to be in a consciousness of what your soul needs. Then you will come to know what exactly your gifts are. In order to understand your gifts, we can help you recover your subconscious labels, eliminate the past life labels if you have any, and clear your subconscious mind to reprogram it to the new environment that you want to shift your consciousness to. Like, I had a label of a uh, of an engineer, say for example, that is, there is an archetype called as an engineer archetype, there is a student archetype, there is a lawmaker, businessman, teacher. Those are the different various archetypes that we have in our subconscious. So we continue to do that to get instant relief or temporary satisfaction from the jobs that the society insists us to do, or you may feel that you are supposed to do in this life for. but actually free will choice is something that our higher purpose needs, or rather what our soul needs from this life. And serving the higher purpose might not be easy to achieve. It is not the free will is not the question of pursuing the life that you want or doing things that you want. That is the first thing to understand. Free will is something that our higher self, or what is driven by the soul's higher purpose for this lifetime. It may not be easy to work hard for fighting your free will choice of destiny by serving your higher purpose. If you are serving your higher purpose, then you have to make necessary adjustments and sacrifices to do that in your daily life. If you start doing that, you will slowly attune to getting the bliss when you spread the awareness of this, or when you start helping others. Earlier I was also tied up to a 9 to 5 job, and I was not fully satisfied, or rather I was compromising myself for many years. But due to different situations in life, I found out about my true self, and I uncovered my past and the hidden gifts and talents I have from my past. And there was a choice left for me to serve others using my past life gifts and to raise the consciousness of others. And incidentally, this pandemic and the rising of the vibration frequency of the earth due to this grand Jupiter Saturn conjunction, everything is pointing out the truth of what I am really in the earth now. And when we do these kind of things, it will actually heal the earth also. When we try to channel from the consciousness of other angelic beings or spirit realms, by being open to communication from other light beings or ascended masters, what we are trying to do is we are trying to attach our third eye to these higher dimensional entities, and we'll be in the frequency which is in direct propagation of the earth's higher density of fourth density, or the fifth dimensional consciousness. What happens is, when we raise the frequency, earth has already shifted its vibration to 5D, and being people who are living in the earth, if we are trying to raise the consciousness of others by spreading awareness or by healing others, because I am right now using my gift past life gifts as being service to others to help them understand their past life records, or do past life regression, or to help them uncover the truth about their lives and assist them in their true journey of finding their soul purpose and using the hidden gifts and talents to help others in the planet. If you are doing things like that, it is actually healing the earth and raising the consciousness of the planet, because this is what you're supposed to do in this lifetime. Whereas if you leave the free will choice to destiny, it will simply not happen, especially during these times when after this great planetary conjunction, the boundaries of people are more due to the Saturn being in the alignment of Jupiter. And Jupiter is a planet which will help you choose the life you want. So it could be in both ways. It could be either in alignment with what others require for you to do, or you can really have a choice between what that brings you happiness in this life. And if you are eliminating the need of using substances for temporary relief or subverting yourselves from trauma or any past pains or relief, you can actually try for an eternal bliss, or doing being by using your gifts to help others. This is a different kind of a uh, profession. It is not like something that you can simply pick up fast, or do. It is not like a. It is something related to your own soul. The psychic gifts or your hidden talents or abilities are something that we find by using by channeling from spirit using subconscious tarot spreads. We have the spirit keepers deck for helping you understand your past life records and do past life regression to uncover if there are any blockages or any hidden gifts or talents you have, we can uncover that from the hidden realms tarot and help you eliminate the subconscious labels of teacher archetype or an engineer archetype or a doctor archetype or a student archetype or a lawmaker archetype. We can eliminate that and we can find the true gifts you have, and with those true gifts you can activate the flower of life, which is a markaba. And while doing the past life records, we can do regress your past and understand the tree of life and build your tree of life based on the tree of knowledge, which is coming from the akashic records. All these things we are offering as services of past life regression and subconscious readings. We are doing it using tarot spreads, and I was incidentally trying to uh, help people open to these energy portals, by using channeling abilities or automatic writing abilities you have, by connecting to these good energy portals. There will be toxic energy portals, which will be negative entities or spirits that you don't want to get attached to. They will be open concurrently, but what you can do is you can connect to those good energy portals and help channel from other dimensions which are beyond the earthly dimensions. So there will be souls that are reincarnated in the earth or passed away from this life, who will be still available in earth. But while channeling from spirit, we communicate to spirit realms which are beyond the earthly realms also, because earth itself has gone multidimensional into the 5D consciousness. So we need to understand that we are also multidimensional, and we need to connect to our galactic ancestors and past to help us understand what we are supposed to do in this lifetime. By being open and connecting to these good energy portals, we can channel from other spirit dimensions and unleash or uncover the truth about the multidimensionality of ourselves. Just because the earth is also gone multidimensional, we also are in a need to be in the same frequency as that of earth. And to raise our collective consciousness, we need to do more of community jobs that will involve helping others or serving others using our past life gifts or our life purpose. This is the 5D consciousness which I was talking about in my earlier sessions. Because right now, if we are maintaining the same frequency, then we need to take effort in understanding the truth about ourselves and help you finding or uncovering those hidden talents or past life gifts we have, to help others to raise the collective consciousness by involving in community uh, jobs or tasks that involve spreading the awareness in community and with your neighborhood. If we do that, it will help us raise the collective frequency of the earth, and it will be a great healing to Mother Gaia, because earth itself has crossed its rainbow bridge and has shifted to the fifth dimensional frequency right now. So while doing this, we'll open up to these future energy portals, which is a future timeline of ours, by being in alignment with the earth's frequency. That can only happen if we know more about our own past lives and know about our true purpose, for which we can help you with the subconscious readings and eliminate the past life labels if you have any, and do past life readings and past life records to understand more about what what can it point to as the true purpose with which you are supposed to serve this lifetime for, and help you regress the past and uncover your true or hidden gifts by using Spirit Keeper Tarot from the hidden realms. And after finding your true purpose and your soul gifts, we can activate the Flower of Life Merkaba with you to help you make a living with the gifts you have which will help you be in the pure 5D consciousness, which is the same which is in the same vibrational alignment as that of the earth, because earth itself has shifted its frequency to the 5D now.